My name is Martine Andre, and I had the vertical restore. My doctor is Dr. Amir Karam, and I had it done here in San Diego. Well, I felt like I was not at the best I could be. My neck was kind of wrinkled, and my face was a little sagging. And knowing, Dr. Karam and his outstanding result, I just wanted to have it done. What I like about it is that it's not under general anesthesia, just local. It was great. I mean, I was not scared. It was just very, I went in very confident. I really didn't use much of painkiller. After a couple of days, I just switched to Tylenol PM, and I was, it takes a little time, but it was fine. I feel good. I'm very happy with the result, and it's just great. I mean, I'm happy about the whole thing. I would say just, look at me, the picture before and after. I think that's the most convincing for someone, is to see someone before and after and see how they look. And to me, that's the ultimate of knowing how you're going to, come out. I mean, there's no guessing, and, you just look refreshed and prettier. And that's the result that anybody would want. I've sent few of my friends and relatives to Dr. Karam, and I keep sending him people because I think he's doing an outstanding work.